What are we looking at? What do we see?
Ay, carajo.
What the hell? Hey, Mason!
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Kev! Get out of the tack room. Stop it.
Everything is better with some cows around.
Come on.